How's it going? I am doing an oil change in my Land Cruiser Prado, 1995 Land Cruiser Prado with the 1KZTE engine. Right now what I'm doing is warming up the engine. I'm gonna go for a spin and I'm gonna start on it, and this is my very first time doing the oil change, and I'll put step-by-step instructions. It's gonna be a simple oil change. It looks super easy. This engine is pretty new to me because we don't have this engine in United States. I got all the stuff, and so I'm gonna go for a spin. The sound it makes, it's amazing. I love turbo diesel. I never used to, I mean, I love diesels, but I wasn't a fan of the sound or anything. And the acceleration, like I like how gasoline motors accelerate, but you know, this is now I love these. Starting with the Cummins diesels, that's how I ended up liking the diesel motors. It's already warmed up. What you need is a 14mm wrench to remove the drain bolt, 540 or 1040 diesel motor oil. I think 7 quarts of it, but I think I'll let you know. I'll put it in the description exactly the amount that you need. So I got a total of 10 quarts. I'm gonna keep checking it with the dipstick and just fill it up. And this is the oil filter. I got the Toyota oil filter. This is kind of expensive. It's $30 from the Toyota dealer. They had to order it. It's 90915-3002. If you're nice to the parts guy, they might give you a discount. So, and a drain pan. Pretty much. Let's go underneath the car. And you go straight underneath. It's right here. The reason that you warm it up is oil starts flowing way more freely real quick. And I'm gonna go to the top and work on while it's draining, I'm gonna work on the stuff on top. Look how dark it is. That's diesel motors. That's how they are. Good morning.
Busy every Saturday.
Yeah. Okay, what I recommend is getting a better filter removal tool than this. It works, but try to get something like that fits here. It will be much easier than this. Meanwhile, check everything, and everything looks good. I have already checked a lot of things in this truck. I cleaned this up really well. The best thing about Toyota filter is it already comes in greased. If you're putting an aftermarket filter, always put a layer of oil in the rubber seal. It's all hand tight. Put the drain plug back. Hand tight first. I don't know the torque specs, but you know, I have been doing this for years, so it's hand tight.
He's got these waters off the lot.
Yeah?
Huh?
I said, I'll
What?
put you some water.
Oh, thank you, man.
I'll put it over here.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right, man. See you later.
See you.
Thanks. So these are 4-quart jugs, so I need to put almost 2 of these, which is only 1 quart left, keeping it 7 quarts.
What already ate them?